Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Hi, Haneen. How are you?
Fine, and you?
Fine. Okay, Lujain, Mustafa, Musab. I think I know you, Musab. Rudy, Sama.
Yes.
You are Musab from the previous year, right?
Yes.
Hi, Musab. How are you? And Susu?
Fine,
Are
thank
you
you.
Sarah or Isra or what? Okay, can you open your cams? I see black screen. It's so bad, by the way. Black screen.
Okay.
Musab, I know you. Open your cam. Hi, Haneen. How are you? Hi. Mustafa, Rudy, Susu, and Sama. Jain, I love your name. Hi. Hi. Fine. Okay, Sama, Musab, Mustafa.
Yes.
Open your cams, please, please, please. I want to see your faces. Please open your cam.
There is a problem in the cam.
Really, Musab? Really?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
I will ask you again. Sure? You have a problem in the cam?
Yes.
Okay. Mustafa, are you here? Mustafa? Mustafa? Mustafa?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Are you here, Mustafa?
Yes.
Open your cam. Okay, Susu, Sama. Sama Ashraf. Do you have a sister in grade 5? Okay, do you have a sister in grade 5, Sama? Rudy, open your cam, please, all of you. Rudy, Susu, Sama, open your cam. Rudy, are you here?
Yes, teacher.
Please, can you open your cam? Sama, how are you? Okay. I'm waiting. Susu? Susu Ashraf, this is Sama. Okay, Sama, open your cam. And Rudy, open your cam.
Okay, 1 second.
This is a long time to open your cam. We will lose the session. Okay, let's start. But first, Rudy, open your cam, and Sama, open your cam. Okay, it's me, Mirvat. By the way, my name is Mirvat, and this is a science session, okay? So, first, let's say hi, Haneen, Mustafa, Sama, and Lujain, Musab, Rudy, and Sama. I'm so sad from you, Sama and Rudy. What's your name, Rudy? Rudaina? Okay.
Yes, Dine.
Rudaina? Okay, I love your name. Okay, open your cam, please.
Okay.
Okay, I'm waiting. And this is from our rules, by the way. This is the first rule. Haneen. Haneen opened her cam from the first second. Okay, so number 1, we have to open our cam. Number 2, we have to sit in a single place. Number 3, no eating, of course, Haneen, Lujain during the session. Number 4, you have to close your mic. Rudy, close your mic. Close your mic. Number 4, you have to raise your hand if you want to answer. Number 5, number 6. Of course, if you want to ask me something, you can write on the chat box. Okay, so how many instructions do we have, Haneen?
We have like open the camera and close the mic and raise your hand and sit in a good place.
Yes,
I think
great.
like 5.
6. Actually, 6. Okay, thank you. Okay. Do you love puzzles? Rudy,
Yeah, I love-
Musab. This is a mathematical puzzle. Okay, so we have here Lujain mathematical puzzle, and you have 30 seconds to guess what is this number. This number will be what, Mustafa? Open your can. So you have 30 seconds to guess this number will be what. Then after 30 seconds, you have to send me the answer in the private Haneen, Sama, in the private chat box. Okay, are you ready? Ready? Okay, let's start. So how many seconds, Rudy, do we have to guess this number?
30 seconds.
Great. Let's start. Oh, Lujane, okay, guess the number.
Okay.
Haneen, okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Mustafa, great, yes. Rudy, yes, okay. Haneen, yes, okay. Mustafa again. Musab, yes. Mustafa, okay. Where is your answer, Sama? Susu Ashraf, okay, you entered with the 2 accounts. You joined with 2 accounts. Susu Ashraf and Sama Ashraf, are they the same?
Yes.
Oh,
Okay,
I think no.
no, they are
Because,
same.
because Sister Ashraf was like with me in the previous lesson, and she was her name wasn't Sama.
Maya.
But Sama Ashraf, are you Susu Ashraf?
No.
No. Susu Ashraf. Sumaya? Her name
Yes.
is Sumaya. Sumaya, are you here? Sumaya? Okay, Mustafa, open your cam, please. Where is your answer, Lujain? Send me your answer. Lujain and Sama. Sama. Lujain? No. Think again. No. Not this one. No. Rudy, where is your answer?
I answered.
Yes. Sama. You didn't send the answer. Sama and Sumaya. Can you guess the number, Sama? Sama, open your mic. Can you guess the number?
No.
No. Okay, Haneen, it will be what?
It will be 14.
Okay, it
Because
will be
the cups of the coffee is like 10 each, and the ice is like everyone with 3, and the milk
great.
is for 1.
Yes, great, great. Okay, let's start. Okay, Sama, can you guess the topic of our session today from this figure? Can you guess? Which part? Okay, do you know we will talk about what from this photo? Can you guess? Can you know what are we going to talk about from this photo? Sama?
Yes.
Okay, what? Okay, so our topic today will be about what? Our lesson today will be about what?
Earth.
Earth? Let's see. Lujain, what do you think? It will be about what?
We will talk about the gravity and Earth.
You
the
are very
planets.
close. Not the planets, but you are close. Okay, Musab, do you know?
We will talk about Earth and the gravity of Mars.
Maybe. Okay, Mustafa, can you guess?
No.
No, from the first time. No, I don't know. Okay, Hani.
I think it's like about the difference of the size between the Earth and Mars.
No, what do we have here? What is this?
Like someone who's like 50 kilograms.
Yes, what is the 50 kilogram? What is this?
Like the size of him, or like the
kilogram. Do you remember kilogram? The measuring unit of what from grade 5? Kilogram.
Of the gram? No, of the like I don't know how to say it. Like the mass of it.
Great, the mass. So we are going to talk about mass and something else called weight, which its measuring unit is Newton, N, capital N. Okay, so we are going to talk about Sama, open your cam, Sama and Sumaya. Number 1, mass and weight. Are they the same, Musab, or are they different? Okay. We are going to talk about number 1, Lujain, the matter and its state. This is from grade 5, by the way. Some examples of matter. Number 3, Mass and
Sorry,
its
can
measuring
you,
tool.
say the question again?
Who is talking, Rudy? Lujane. Okay. I said we are going to talking about mass and weight, and are they the same or different? Mass and weight are same
Yes,
or
sorry, I have
different?
an internet connection.
You can close your cam. You can close your cam. Okay, number 4, the difference between mass and weight, Haneen. Are they same or different? Let's start. We have here the words that we will need in our lesson today. Sama, can you read?
Yes.
Can you read?
Matter,
Oh. Volume, yes.
volume, masses,
Mass
mass,
and kilogram.
kilogram,
Great.
gram.
Great. Okay, Rudy, can you read this column?
Okay, balance, weight,
Gravitational force. Gravitational force. Yeah.
constant,
Constant means doesn't change. Okay. Variable. Variable means change. Okay. Okay. We have here video. We are going to watch this video. After this video, I want from you to tell me, are mass and volume same or different? So this video is talking about mass, Haneen, and Mustafa, weight. So this video is talking about Lujain, mass and weight. I want from you to tell me after this video, are they same or different? So Musab, this video is talking about what?
Mass and weight.
Yes, great. Let's start.
Most of us think that mass and weight are more or less the same thing. However, that is not the case. Let's explain the difference in a simple way so that it becomes easier to remember. Mass is simply the amount of matter or physical substance present in an object. Now let's say there is a spaceship present on Earth and an identical one on the Moon. Do you think their mass will be equal? To answer this, we need to ask ourselves, will the amount of matter or physical substance in each spaceship be identical, in which case their mass will be equal as well? So how do we understand the weight of an object? Well, simply put, weight is the measure of how strong gravity pulls on mass. So going back to the previous example, we know that a mass of both spaceships is equal. However, the gravitational pull of Earth is 6 times greater than on the Moon. Say the spaceship weighed 12,000 kilos on Earth, and it would actually weigh 2,000 kilos on the Moon. As gravity is stronger on Earth, objects weigh more. To sum up, mass of an object remains constant everywhere, whereas the weight depends on the gravitational force at a given location. Let us know in the comments if you've learned something new. Subscribe to the channel for more factoids. Until next time.
Okay, Musab, what do you think? Mass and weight are same or they are different from each other?
Different.
Which one doesn't it change by changing the
Mass.
place? Great.
Mass.
What about the weight, Lujain? The weight depends in what force?
Gravitational force.
Great. All the planets have the same gravitational force, or they have different gravitational force?
They have different gravitational force.
Great. So if you travel from Earth to, for example, for Mars, your weight, will it change or it will be stay as it is without any change?
Will change.
Great. Because the what will it change?
The weight will change.
Yes, the weight will change because what force will it change from planet to another planet?
The gravitational force.
Great, great, Lujain, great, Musab. Great, okay. Let's make a little revision from grade 5. What is the matter? Who remembers? Who remembers? Okay, what is the matter? Mustafa. What is the matter, Mustafa? Mustafa,
Yes, teacher.
open your cam, Mustafa. Open your cam.
I have a problem in the internet.
Really?
After we
Really,
open
Mustafa?
the cam, my laptop is
You have a problem, right?
right.
Sure.
What?
I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you.
What?
I am trusting you. واثقة فيك. I'm trusting you. انت وضميرك. Okay, what is the matter, Mustafa?
What's the matter?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Who can tell Mustafa? What is the matter? Another one. Haneen, no, another one. No. Sumaya? Sumaya? Okay, Sama. What is this, Sama?
Please,
What is this?
what's the meaning?
What is this?
Mobile?
Yes. Is it matter or not?
Yes.
Why? Because it has what and what?
Butter.
Because it has battery? Okay. What is this?
Pencil.
Pen. Yeah, it doesn't have battery, right?
Mhm.
Is it matter?
Yes.
Why? Can we measure the mass of this pencil? Of this pen, sorry?
No.
No, why? If you put it in a balance, can you measure its mass to see if this pen is heavy or light? Yes or no?
No.
Why no? If you have a balance, do you know the balance?
Yes.
Okay, can you put this on the balance to know the mass of this?
Yes.
Okay, so it has mass, right?
Mhm.
Does it take space if I put this on my hand like this? Does it take space? Does it take space on my hand? This pen takes space or not?
Yes, take.
So it
Space.
has what, Mustafa?
Matter.
Yes.
So it has volume. So this pen has mass and what, Sama? Volume. So it is a matter. Okay. Yes, Haneen. What is the matter?
The matter is everything that have mass and volume. Mass.
Anything. Sama, you are a matter. Why? Because we can measure your mass and you take space. Like me, I take space on this chair. And of course, I have a mass. So I'm a matter. Okay, like everything around us is a matter. Okay, your scarf is a matter. I know, bandana is a matter. Okay, so everything around us has mass and volume is a matter. Okay, what is the meaning of volume? Lujain, take space, like this mobile. This mobile take a large space on my hand. So it has larger volume than what?
The pencil.
The pen. Okay, excellent, great. Is air a matter? Who can guess? Is air a matter?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Mustafa. Musab, what do you think? Air is a matter or not?
Very much
Why? Because it has what and what?
because it has mass and volume.
Great. Haneen, if we have this ball and this ball doesn't have any air,
Its
its mass equal what?
What?
84.6, right?
84. I don't know really how we measure the air.
Okay, we have this empty ball, and this man put it on this balance.
Okay.
And its mass equal 84.6. But when this man, okay, put or push some air inside this ball, what happens? It will increase in size, right? Because it has air inside it, right?
Yeah.
If you put this ball again on this balance, will the mass change?
Yeah, it will change because like we like inflated it after we it was like uninflated. So the mass of the air changed.
Great, and this means that the air has what?
Has a mass and a volume.
Great. Mass here, mass. Okay. What about this cup, Lujain? Can you see this cup?
Yes.
we put, what happens if we put inside it paper tissue at the bottom of this cup? Then you put this cup upside down like this inside a container of water. Do you think that this paper tissue will be wet or totally dry? Can you guess
say
from this, Jeff?
Can you say the question again?
Okay, can you see this cup?
Yes.
Okay, it is put it upside down, right?
Yes.
Inside a container of water, right? Right? Inside this container of water, right?
Yes. Right.
Can you guess this paper tissue will be wet or dry?
Wet.
Wet? Okay.
What? When we put it in the container of water.
Yes, upside down like this. The water will go up in the cup or not?
Yes.
Okay. Lujane said yes, the paper tissue will be wet. Okay, what do you think, Musab?
Please, can you say?
Yeah, it will be wet.
Okay, Sama, what do you think? Quickly, wet or dry? Quickly. Okay, Haneen. What?
I think it's gonna be dry because like the air on the cup will not like make the water go in.
Yes. What do we have, Lujani, inside this cup? What do we have inside this cup? Above the paper tissue, what do we have? Air, right?
Yes.
If you put this cup inside, can the water move up? No, because we have air inside this cup. It can take the place of the air, right? And this means that the air has volume. So the air has mass and volume. Okay. What are the states of matter, Mustafa?
Yes, teacher.
What are the states of matter?
Matter.
Yeah.
Gas.
Great. And
gas and water.
Gas and liquid.
Gas and liquid
And what?
And solid.
Yeah, great. Okay. What is the mass and how can we measure it? We said the mass, it is the amount of matter inside this inside the object, like this plastic bottle. The mass of this bottle means the amount of plastic inside in this bottle. So if I said the mass of this plastic bottle, Haneen, equal 10 gram. This means that the amount of plastic in this bottle equal what? 10 gram. So mass means the amount of matter in the object. And the measuring unit, Lujain, from grade 5, the measuring units of mass, gram and kilogram. Kilogram is used for large masses or small masses?
Kilogram used for the large masses.
Great. Musab, if I said the mass of this iron ball equal 20 kilogram, this means that the amount of iron in this ball equal what?
In this ball, can you say the question again?
Okay, what does it mean if I said the mass of iron ball equal 20 kilogram? What does it mean? It means that the amount of iron in this ball equal what?
On this ball, 20 kilogram.
20 kilogram, great. Okay, Mustafa, if I said, what do we have here, Mustafa?
Cup.
Is this cup made of what?
Glass.
Glass, excellent. Okay, if I said the mass of this glass cup equal 100 gram, this means that the amount of glass in this cup equal what?
100 kilogram.
Kilogram, 100 kilogram. What do we have here? 100 kilogram or 100 gram?
100 gram.
100 gram. Great. Okay. Do you remember from grade 5 how can we measure the mass? Who remembers? By using what? By using what? Haneen, another one. How can we measure the mass? Lujain, say it. I know that you know.
Can we measure that
By using what? What is the name of this tool that we can measure the mass by using it? You can see it in the supermarket, by the way, if you want to buy tomato, something else, and so on.
I know that, but I can't remember the
Scale.
name.
Scale.
Yes.
We have different type, like this one is called digital, and we have pointer scale like this one, and we have two balance 2 arms scale, balance with 2 arms like this one for large masses, and this one for small masses. Okay. We said that mass and weight are different or the same, Mustafa?
What, teacher?
Mass and weight are same or different?
Difference.
Excellent. So if you are here, if your
Different.
mass, yes, okay, Musab. If your mass on Earth equal 50 kilograms, so if you travel to Mars, will your mass change?
What?
If your mass on Earth equal 50 kilograms, if you travel to another planet like Mars, your mass will it change or stay as it is 50 kilograms?
Stay.
Stay, so it will not change because mass is what? Constant, doesn't it change? Great. Okay, what about the let's ask Sama, what about the mass, Sama? If your mass equal 56 kilogram, okay, if you travel to moon, your mass will be
90.
90. Your mass will it change or not if you travel from Earth to moon? It will not change,
20.
but it will be, no, it will be 56 as it is 56. If your mass 56, so it will be as it is 56. What about weight, Haneen? Will it change or not?
I think yeah, because weight is like the responsible for the gravitational force.
Yes, and the
Oh, yeah.
gravitational force, it changes from one place to another place, right? Great. Okay. How can we measure, Lujain? How can we measure the weight by using spring scale? So the mass, we can measure the mass by using scales, but here the weight can be measured by using what, Lujain? Spring scale. This is the spring scale, Lujain. What about the measuring unit, Sama? The measuring unit of mass is what and what? Sama?
Yes.
The measuring unit of mass is gram and what? Gram and what?
Kilogram.
Here, the measuring unit of weight, Newton. Because it measures what? It measures the gravitational force. And the measuring unit of force, Haneen, is what? Newton. So the measuring unit of weight is Newton. We can write it N, capital N, okay? Okay. Before doing this experiment, I want to make this evaluation. You have 1 minute only to think about these questions, okay? Then we will see who will get more points, who will be the winner today. Okay, Lujain? Wake up, Lujain.
Okay,
No,
I
think
have
first.
an
No,
internet connection, so
Miss
I can.
you can close your cam if you want.
I don't understand very well. Like, we will answer all in the private
Yes.
chat. Or, like,
You will answer. No. I will ask you, but I will give you 1 minute first to think about all of them. Okay.
Okay. And then, like, we will not send it in the private chat. You will
No,
ask.
not private. No, you will say.
Okay.
Okay. Sama, open your cam, Sama. Musab, are you here?
Yes.
Mustafa, okay. Think about these questions, Musab and Mustafa. We have 1, 2, okay, we have Haneen and Sama, and we have Musab and Mustafa. Let's see who will be the winner, girls or boys, okay? Let's start. Haneen, number 1. Open your mic, open your mic.
I think it's A, math.
The amount of money, yeah, great. 1 point for your team. Okay. Musab, great. Musab,
Yes.
the measuring units of mass. What and what?
Yes, gram and kilogram.
Great, 1 point. Okay, Sama, what is the gravitational force by which the body is attracted to the earth? This is the definition of what the force that attracts us to earth. Weight or mass or
Mass?
Newton or mass? No, actually it will be Mustafa. It will be what? Mustafa. Number 3 will be what, Mustafa?
Balance?
I'm sorry, teacher, I'm speak with mic is not.
You don't have to speak during
A
the
number,
session, Mustafa.
number
It will be
B.
what?
Number B.
Actually, no. One mistake here, one mistake here. Okay, Haneen. Sorry, Lujain. Number 4, Lujain. Quickly, quickly, quickly.
The device of measuring weight is
That move down like this.
2 arms scale.
No, that move down. Spring scale. This
Spring
one.
Okay.
This one. It's called the spring scale. So actually 2 mistakes here. Okay, so the winner today, Musab and Mustafa. Okay. So as a conclusion, Haneen, can you tell me one difference between mass and weight? Quickly, quickly.
The mass is like the measure. The mass is the measure of the amount of the matter, and the
Right.
weight is the gravitational force by which the object is attracted to Earth by the like the gravitational force of the mass by which the object is attracted to Earth.
Great, Musab, great. Musab, the measuring unit of mass is what and what?
The measuring unit of mass, it's
Gram
and kilogram.
what about the weight?
The weight, the measuring unit is Newton.
Newton, great. Sama, the mass constant, doesn't it change or it change? The mass, if you move from one place to another place, the mass, will it change or it will not change?
Change?
No, it will not change. If you travel to the moon, will you be bigger or fat, more fat? No, it will be as it is. If you have 50 kilogram mass, you will be 50 kilogram on moon. Okay, but the weight, Lujain, will it change or not?
Will change.
Great, quickly. We have only actually 1 minute, so we will play quickly this game. Okay. By the way, I'm so happy
Teacher,
to be
me
with
can
you.
go?
Who want to go, Mustafa? No, Mustafa. No, I want to be with us, Mustafa. Don't go. ما تمشيش يا مصطفى، خليك معانا. This is the last one. This is the last game. Okay? Ready? By the way, girls, they have 1 point and 2 mistakes. Boys, 1 point and 1 mistake. Okay? Are you ready? Haneen. Okay, let's start. Nuna. I will call you Nuna. Okay?
Okay, no problem.
Actually, we have less than 1 minute. Quickly.
Okay.
Huh.
I should match. All right.
I don't know.
Okay.
By the way, the measuring device, I don't know. Okay, the next one, Lujain, quickly.
Matter and object.
I
Balance
didn't say the first
scale.
What?
No.
I didn't say the first
The
one.
amount.
I was just asking. I was gonna say the measuring device of the weight is a spring scale.
Okay, Lujain, quickly.
Matter and object.
The amount of matter, mass or weight? Quickly.
amount